Picture this, you, me, all our friends exploring the breathtaking landscapes of Ireland together. Hey, it's Kara Hart. Castles, cliffs, cozy pubs, and experiences we won't find in any guidebook is all being put together for us from our friends at Collette Tours and Out and About Luxury Travel. This isn't just any trip. It's a handcrafted adventure designed by a local expert, balancing must-see sites with those hidden gems. We'll stay in luxurious 4 to 5 star accommodations, including a castle. And don't worry about the details. Our expert tour manager is like our personal concierge, helping us make the most of every moment. Plus, everything's included. Round trip airfare, transfers, even to and from Newark, plus incredible experiences. Space is very limited, but if you lock in your spot now, you'll save $250 per person, and it's completely refundable until April 24th. Come on, let's go to Ireland together. Book now before it's too late. Get all the details at WLEVradio.com.
Well, I played a wild rover. No one ever